Hi everyone, this is my screen recording of my course so far, my course modules and everything that's been developed. So as you can see, I have the 5 modules. I've only been working on the third and fourth one so far. The fourth one was started developing a few weeks ago. The third one is has the most recent development. So I'm going to show you that. This course module is on anti-anxiety strategy for students. So the first slide or part of the module is a video about it, introducing the strategy. Then there is the purpose and the reasoning behind using this strategy. Next up is a visual for the learners to understand and conceptualize the strategy better. This slide or this part of the course has layers to it, so as the learners click on different parts, the different layers will appear, providing more information about each part of the strategy. This content will probably change as I develop the course more, but this is placeholder content for right now. And then at the end of this module, we have an assessment of the learners using what they have learned to walk through the strategy themselves and apply it, observing with their 5 senses and recording what they observe. If we go back to the story view, you can see I still have my other module that I developed a few weeks ago about the anger management. Not much has changed with this module. However, after reviewing it, I would like more input on this specific slide. Helping children think of possible solutions. There's a lot of white space on this slide, and I'd like to think of something that could go here, either an activity for learners to participate in, or maybe if there's other content that you think needs to be added. I do have one question, like survey assessment for this module already, but there could always be another activity that goes with it. And that is the overview of what I have so far. Any feedback as far as the aesthetics and how to tie in the different visuals would be appreciated. And anything that you think needs to be added or changed, I would love to hear your advice. Thank you.